What's today, Mystique? What do we have today? We have a terrific Tuesday.
That is correct.
All right, hello and welcome everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, live from Miami. It's Capital Trade Center. I am Alberto German. And I'm going to be reading the market live, real time, as it's happening, minute to minute, tick by tick, for all of you professional traders here at Capital Trade Center, right? So in other words, in front of us, of a studio audience, right? Just like we do every day, right? That's what we're going to be doing. We have an interesting situation today that I haven't seen in a long, long time. But that's the good thing about the system that we have here. It's gone through every single imaginable type of environment the market is on: manipulation, squeezing, extended, overbought, oversold, everything that you can imagine. We've done it before. Right? That doesn't mean that sometimes the formation it's a little bit peculiar, right? So we have an interesting information today. All right, so hang tight right there, and let me go over it. Right, so what is the resistance for those of us bears that believe that the price is going to continue going down and it's going to 24, right? Well, it's right there. It's 35, okay? So we want to make sure that 35 is resistance. We all know that, all right, so the price, okay, so the price right now, okay, it's been going down, down, down since 9 a.m. We've been trying to figure out whether it was going to take the low 30, and then we finally have odds that yes, it will. It's going to continue going to 24, right? So price right now is right here, right 30, and we believe is going to continue going to 24, right? 24, that's where it's going. Okay. All right, so smart money. What is the smart money going to do? Well, before breaking 28, 29, before breaking 28, 29, they're probably going to take it up a little bit, take all the stops of the weak bears, right? Alrighty, and then they'll try to squeeze all the bears all the way to 35. 35 is going to be our confirmation that so long as the price doesn't take 35, we believe it's going to continue going down, take 29, 28, and go to 24. Okay, that's what we believe. That continuation down that we call here, this level 30, right? Right here, 30, this 30 right here. All of this stuff right here, right? 30, right? This continuation down to 29, 28, eventual break of it and go to 24 is going to be challenged by a surprise move to the upside. And then I will know when that move is over, and that's going to be a resistance level to take the price to 24. We're gonna see how the price behave at 24, and we have 16. Okay, and we have 16 right there. So 24, we're gonna see how the price behaves at 24, and then 16. All right, that's what we think is gonna happen. We all know it's smart money, right? Smart money, smart money, smart money. Okay, before they break this 29, 28, especially before the open, it's 14 minutes to the open. All right, they're gonna try to take it up, make everybody believe that the price is actually that this is a pullback in an uptrend, and we don't believe that this is a pullback in an uptrend. We believe that this is a new downtrend. Right? So how does the smart money do that? Well, they're gonna try to, they're gonna stop fish as many bears as possible, all the way to here, 35, 36. Okay. So what's gonna happen until the open? 28, 34, 34, 28. Chop right here. Alrighty, so right, so the market doing exactly what we say it was gonna do, right? We get this nice little spike just to make it easier for us, right? Look at that beautiful spike right here, right? To 31, 32, right? And price doing what we said, breaking 29, 28. We are expecting a continuation to 24. It just went to 25.75. We're gonna call it 26. So we didn't get our 24, right? By a couple of points, by a buck and 3/4. Of course, we all know the importance of 28. We are counting on. We never let a winner turn into a loser. We are counting on 35, 33 to clinch, and a continuation to 24, and then we're gonna take it from here. Remember, 24, okay, confirms that that our main play shore is the right side to be on. Okay, so that's 25.5. Okay. Alrighty. That's 25, right? That's 1 point to our 24. Okay. So, so this tells you, right, that we are in a medium chop, right? Yes, price is going exactly where we say it was going to go. The break is on the sound side. We believe the main play is done. We've known that since 9 a.m. since I opened the mic, right? So we are all sure, right? Those of you who waited for a rally all the way to 31, you're up 6 points right now. We never let a winner turn into a loser. Remember that we can have a nasty spike any second. Get the hell out, get back in, build back better. We are going to continue being bear until I tell you not anymore. Not that I need to tell you, because I already told you that our confirmation right here is this resistance 33.35, right? That I'm not expecting the price to easily break. If it does, then we'll be looking to buy support, because it's gonna be looking to go to 40. But that's option number 2. We're gonna continue with our main play shore and ride it to 24 and beyond, right? If the smart money decides to have the price plummet. Okay, this is the open, only the open time right now, 9:35, 5 minutes only. We already 6 points, and complete focus, 100% focus, 99% of your concentration is not gonna cut it in this room. Gotta concentrate full on. All right. If the price does whatever it is, I already told you what if. If the price does this, then we do this. If it does this, then we do that. Right? We all know exactly what to expect at all times. All right? It's called control. So that's 24.25, isn't it? No.
Yes.
All right. So listen, ladies and gentlemen, 24, and this is extremely important. 24 is not target 1. Okay, 24 is it's an important level of support that we have to take into consideration. That's 24 right there, isn't it, Mystic?
It is.
All right, so that's 23 half, right? From 31 to 23, so we're up 6, 7, 8 points. Boom, bang, bing, right? Okay, isn't this the prediction that we gave Mystic at 9 a.m. this morning?
Yep.
It's
At
a-
9:07, he said it was going to 24 and then to 22.
It's a prediction addiction that we have here.
That is correct.
All right? Okay. We are all about predicting. Oh my God, Capi, you're crazy, man. Everybody says that trade what you see, you cannot predict, man. Are you kidding me? Every time you hear that, I just want you to laugh. All right? They don't want you to know that. All right? I don't want you to predict. When you go short, you're predicting that the price is going to go down. If you're not predicting the price is going to go down, when you go short right here, this 31, it's because you have the odds that the price is going to go test 28, break it, and continue to 24. We're going to play around 24, and we are expecting a continuation all the way to 16. That's the reason you went short right here at the open 31. Or even if you went short 30 before the open, when I told you the odds are that the price is going down. That's a prediction, right? It's just that the smart money they have made, that's 21 half, the smart money, they have made all these bogus traders on YouTube, right?
21.
Believe that you don't want to predict. It's all about prediction. Boom, bam, bing. Right?
Yep.
All right, so that's 20, right?
Yep.
From 31, 30, that's 10 points. 10, 11 points, beautiful break. There's nothing stopping the price that's 19. Okay. Trading 101, support becomes resistance becomes support. We're already up 10, 11, 12 points. And, oh my God, Capi, I want to get out here, man, 19, 10 points. You know, you said that we have a weird market condition today, and, you know, I want to lock 12 points, man, right here at 19. You get mad at me if I get out here at 19 and not at 16, exactly where you said the price target 1 is? Well, it's the open. We have at 10 a.m. You know, you are your own thing. Remember, you are the trader. I'm not a trader. I'm a market reader. All right? My job is to tell you exactly what the price is going to do, how it's going to do, where it's going, why it's going to go there, where to get the hell out in case that my prediction it's broken. That's my job. You are the trader. All right? Hang around here a couple of years, and you'll see if our predictions here they come true. Remember that we trade 4 units. All right, 4 units. It could be 12 contracts. You know, 3, 3, 3, 3, or 3 units and one the home run, 4 units. Right?
Mass is plus 10.
Plus 10.
From the
Okay.
break.
All right. You wanna log 10 points, Mystique, on 10 contracts? That's $5,000.
That's right.
Correct me if I'm wrong right there. Right? So that's pretty good, isn't it?
Pretty good.
All righty then. So you are the trader, you know. If you want to log 10, 11, 12 points, the price just went to 18. That's a couple of points above 16. So, you know, what do you think? 16, it's right there because it's support. All right? It's not going to be easy. But that's where the price wants to go. All righty? Okay. All right? So that's the edge that we have here. We know what the price is going to do before it does it. If you don't have that edge, how can you possibly beat the Goldman Sachs? Tell me. How the hell can you do that? You'll be shaken out. So you got to have an odds. You got to have an edge. Analyzing the odds as to what it is most likely to happen. And then you position yourself, you grow some cojones, and you go for it. That's all there is to it. All right? So we have 3 units, and you all know that it's okay to, you all know that it's okay to to get out a little bit, depending on the volatility and stuff, a little bit above the target, a little bit above, a little bit below, 16, 17, 18, 16 exactly, 15, 14. We gotta continue watching the market. There is no reason. I don't see any reason at all whatsoever to get all out. Only scared money gets all out. Oh my God, I get this. If you get all out right here, you're 10, 11, 12 points. Well, you make sure that you get back in short again until I tell you not to anymore, so that you take advantage of this morning, which is never coming in ever again, right? Right. So you came here to trade, take advantage of it. Long story short, right, Mystic?
Long story short.
I mean, this is pretty simple, actually, right? A natural bounce. It goes to our resistance, 24, 25. Cannot take it. That gives you confidence that we are on the right side of the angels, and that the market is going to continue doing what we said an hour ago the market was going to do, right? But the market never goes anywhere in straight line, right, Mystic?
That's correct.
All right, so if you were expecting to buy 2 Lambos on the first leg right here, 16, that's not how it goes. All right, so that's why Nas, he logged 10 points, right?
Yes.
Logged 10 points, waited for that small rally all the way back to our resistance, get back in again with another 10 contracts. It's going to 16, as long as there is no clean break of our resistance. That it's going to continue going to 16. So your calculations when you add to a winner right here, 24. Right? When you add to a winner here, 24, price is going to 16. You're going to make another 8 points right now, and you have a bigger position, right? That's trading. Okay?
Papa is +8.
Plus 8? Papa? Okay, terrific. Yeah, everybody know. All right, so Mystic, all righty then.
That's it, 16 hit.
All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I have target 2. Okay, target 2, ladies and gentlemen, it's right here. It's 10. Okay. Oh my God, Capital. Why 10, man? So, 10 is nothing, man. We just this last move from 32 to 16 is 16 points, man. Why is target 2 only 6 points more? Because that's what Goldman Sachs told me. They're the ones telling me what they're gonna do. Oh my God, really? Yeah, that's right. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Yeah, that's right. You know how sometimes we have a range on target. For example, target 1 could be a range since there is so small range, 10, 16. That's only 6 points, right? So we could make it a range. Target 1 is a range. 10, 16 was the mid range between 10 and 16 is 13, right? Right. So 13 could easily be the mid range for target 1. Not today, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Okay, I want you to log here 16. Of course, stop break even and start trailing, right? What's up, Mystic?
They went to 15.
We went to 15. Okay, all right.
15 points.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. So hang in there. Alrighty. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there is a new development. All right, look at what just happened, Mister. You're gonna go crazy with this. What I'm gonna say now. All right, I was talking about a range, right?
Yes.
Well, it just so happened that yes, it is a range. However, it's not 10 anymore. So target 1 is now a range 12, 16. So I had to bring it up from 10 all the way to 12 because this is a new support that just developed. Alrighty? Okay, so that's good because it's only target 1, right? So we're gonna have 2 more units for target 2 and target 3, which now I don't have anymore. All right, so what is the mid-range of 12 and 16? Right? So that's 4 points, right? 14, right? 14 is the mid-range. Okay, so why is that the mid-range important? Because I want you to know that it's okay if you want to log 14, it's okay to log 14. However, target 1 is now a range of 4 points. Before, about 3-4 minutes ago, 10 was target 2, not anymore. All right, now target 1, it's a range. Target 1 was only 16, now it's a range of 12, 14. Mid-range is 14. Look at it. All righty. Okay, why is this so important? Well, number 1, you get to log more points, and number 2, we're gonna watch this 4 points really closely, right? In case that the smart money wants to bounce it off of 12, 16, 14 mid-range, and shake all the weak bears out, riding it all the way back to 24. Now that 24 is gonna be a double top, which is the only setup that the fake trade teenagers know, right? Double tops and double bottoms. That's the only one that they know, and they're eager to teach it to you, as if the entire world doesn't know that, right? And they want to charge you for it. I kid you not, Mystique.
Oh, well.
Look at that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, existing home sales. Oh, so you see what I mean? How the market is dynamic, Mystique. It's changing all the time. I had 10, remember? 5 minutes ago, I had to move it to 12. Look at what just happened. Price goes to 12 half, and look at the beautiful, and look at this okay bounce, right? So those of you, ladies and gentlemen, who took the counter trend long right here, the one that we always take, then stop break even, and remember, don't you dare for 1 second believe that this long counter trend long that we are on 13 right here, remember the mid-range, 14, 13? All right, don't treat it as the main play, because it's not. This thing comes right back down. Remember that this 12, 16 is only target 1. All right, I'm expecting a continuation to target 2, and that target 2, did I already give it a mistake?
No.
Ah, okay. All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here it is. It's not, oh my God, look at this. It's unbelievable. It's only 06, you know? All right, so you stay tuned in case that I have to change target 2 again, all right? But for now, target 2 is only right there at 06. All right? This is all target 1, 12, 16, target 1, which is made 15, 16 points, 17 points on this play, and target 2 is 06. Okay? I can change it, I don't know. Remember that the market is dynamic, and we have to read it tick by tick, candle by candle, Fibonacci by Fibonacci, Renko by whatever the hell you want to use. I really couldn't care less. You make sure that you put a price line in all my levels of support and resistance, and that's what you're gonna break off of. Pretty simple, actually, Mystique, if you ask me. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So now that the main play is sure and we are expecting a continuation then, and we are counter trend long right here, 12, 13, 14, then we're going to manage this counter trend, right? Because the price is not going to go on a straight line anywhere. It's not going to go to 06 on a straight line, especially on a day like today. So why not just go, if we believe that 12, 13 right here is strong enough to have, to number one, stop the price from continue going down temporarily, and be strong enough to take it back to 16 and leap up and down 16, 24, 24, 16. Why not go long with a small position right here, counter trend, and make a couple of points while the downtrend resumes and continues and comes right back down, take 12 and go to 06. Why not take a couple of points right here? Look at that. This counter trend 12, 13 that we went up, price just went to 18. That's a pretty good scalp if you ask me, right? From 12 to 18, that's 6 points. 19, that's 7 points, right? That we are making while we still wait for the downtrend to continue going down. Think about that, Mystique. Right? I want to see a teenager on YouTube do this. All those girly girls that claim they're big shot traders. I want to see them do this. Yeah, what's up, Mystique?
You did get 954.
Okay, yeah, that's the one that I changed, and I moved it up to 12. Okay, you have it still there? All right. Okay, so go ahead and move that 10 and move it down to 06. All right? Okay. Temporarily, I might change it again. As a matter of fact, I have a range 06, 09. What the hell am I talking about, 06, 09? All right, let me see here. Yeah, all right, just leave it there for now. So start from the beginning, right? So this bounce right here is strong enough, we believe, because of our system, that it's strong enough to take it to, okay, hold on a second, that's not what I want to do, to take it to okay, all right, to take it to 22, 23, right? All right, it just went to 20. Okay, so what do you think is going to happen here in the meantime? 12, 20, 20, 12, 12, 20. It's going to be, the price is going to be leaping up and down, right? Now, the downtrend is stronger. That's why the downtrend, the plate short that we are from here, from 31, 30, 31, it's with the main position, with the strongest position. Now we knew that there were odds that we're gonna make the price to bounce off of here, off of this 12, 13, and take it to 20, 22, 23. It went to 20, right? Okay, so this 12 is not gonna be easily taken, all right? Because remember, we not only want to know where the price is going, but how it's gonna get there. So this 12 right here is not gonna be easily taken. Price is gonna go over some shenanigans right here. 12, 16, and then it's gonna take 16 a little bit more. It's gonna turn down. Okay, until we get a more setups, bearish, and then we believe that we continue believing that the price is eventually gonna take 12 and continue to 06. But in the meantime, look at this bounce nicely from 12 to 20. That's 8 points. Okay. You're gonna trade. You want to take advantage of every single move, right? Look at this beautiful counter trend all the way to, and I told you it's strong enough to take the price all the way to 23. Is that 22 half, Mystique?
It is.
Alrighty then. So, gee, I missed it by 2 ticks then?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So I guess I'm gonna have to go back to the drawing board now.
I don't think so.
Yeah, that's right. I didn't get it on the first leg. Okay. All right. So counter trend 13 goes all the way to 22. That's 9 points, right?
Yep.
You know that the target 1 for this counter trend it's right here. It's 23. It's okay if you get out a point above, a point below. You know how it is. All right, so we just made 10 points, 9 points on this counter trend. And the counter trend is not invalidated, by the way, until one of two things happen. Number one, it comes right back down, destroys 12, and we know that the price then is going to be looking to continue going down to our target 206. That's number one. And number two, I tell you, that's it. No more. Get out of that counter trend, flat, lock everything that you can right here, and let's continue riding the main plate shore, right? So one of those two things needs to happen for you not to want to be long this counter trend 12, 13 anymore. All righty? That's not easy to do, I know, but hang around this room for a while and you'll see that you'll be doing it in no time. All righty then. We've seen counter trends ending up being the new trend, right, Mystic?
That's correct.
Would it surprise you if this thing goes all the way to 24, destroys 24, tests 28, and goes all the way to back to 32? Would that surprise you, Mystic? Tell me.
No surprises.
Have you seen that type of action before?
It's a quantum leap.
Oh my
Quantum
God!
don't mess with
Oh,
it.
no wonder. No wonder it just won't give up, right?
That's right.
Exactly. So that tells you, ladies and gentlemen, that you really, if you don't like counter trending, you really want to learn how to do it. And here you will. Long story short, alrighty? We trade counter trends exactly the same way that we trade a main play with 3 units. The only difference is that the counter trend is with a smaller position size. That's it. That's the only difference. Okay? No NAS is going to remember. Remember, I told you, ladies and gentlemen, since the opening, and listen, we have to be cautious because there is a hidden bullish move coming later on. How many times I said that mistake? 3, 4, 5 times? All right. Here you go. We just needed to wait for the smart money to give us the bullish setups, and then we remember that we have a phantom run. And look at this, right? We set 23, it goes to 22 half, right? And what do? Stop breaking and start trailing as well. Now remember, you are the trader, okay? I'm just telling you what the market is going to do. That's all. You know, when we have to change hats, we have to change levels of support, resistance. When we have to continually change, that tells us that the market is vicious. I have to change this 06, believe it or not, just like we did with 10 before. I have to change it by 09 now. All right, remember that I told you that it was a range 06, 09? Well, so it came through. It is now 09 is the high of target 2. Look at that, 09 is only 3 points from 12. How can that possibly be? Because we're reading the market. Every single tick, every single move, we're making calculations. We want to know how strong certain levels are, how weak they are. What is the smart money up to? Right? We want to know if this is a pivot low, a pivot high. Is this a swing low? Is this a higher high? What is the real hidden trend, right? The conventional technical trend. Nobody knows where it is. What's the future intention of the trend? Right? We want to know all of that. What's the overall market direction? It's changing all the time. I have to bring that target 2 to 09. I know it's nothing. It's only 3 points from 12. It is what it is, Mystique. All right?
Yes.
So we're going to have a range 09, 06. Look at that. 3 points. 3, 3, 3. Everything in threes today. Okay. But we need to know that it begins at 09. We cannot underestimate that that level. All right, so that's target 2. Okay, come on, right? So we're gonna watch it, right? We're watching it right now, And what is it that we want? Well, we want a clean break of 12. Hey, what the hell is a clean break, man? Well, what do you think a clean break is? It breaks it breaks the level and it doesn't come back there. Well, what else can a clean break be? Mistake?
I don't know.
I have people asking me, what's a clean break? What the hell do you think a clean break is? Clean break, right? All right. So that's what we want to see. All righty. Hold on a second.
Right. I'm in pulley 3 now.
Oh, target 2 officially hit, and we all know what we do at our levels of support and resistance, right? I don't have target 3 yet. I'm looking for it. This is a strong pullback, but we know better, right? Okay, we know the reason I made 06 target the low of the range of target 2 is because it's support. So I am expecting a bounce of support. And look at what just happened. Look at this beautiful support. That's why we counter trend. Look at that. 05. This is another razor sharp entry long that we all know we're supposed to take. And look at that beautiful bounce, right? Boom. 05, 08, 3 points, and 4 points. And we all know exactly how the price is going to behave from now on. Of course, this is a beautiful, right? So we're short from 31, and the price just went to 5.
That's 26 points.
Right? 31 minus 5 mistake, 26 points.
Correcto.
So we just made 26 points, and we still, and we made like 10 points on the counter trend. Remember the counter trend 12 that went all the way to 23? That's 11 points.
Correct.
All right. Not to mention that the counter trend that we did. All right. You guys, you know that 23 is an add to a winner, sure, or establish a new position if you are all in, all out, which is perfectly okay if you are. I'm okay with that. All right. That's 09. Gee, is that 09 mistake? The bounce all the way to 09, the high of our range? Gee, what a shocker, right? We've never seen this before. All right, so that's 09. Let's see. And I'm not being arrogant, or I'm not pulling my, blowing my own horn. It's just that we do this every single day, So you gotta have fun. Remember what I told you about control. If you know exactly the strength of every point, when to change it, what it is, where is it coming from, you are in complete control of what the market will do. And if you have that edge, then your trading is going to go at a totally, completely different level than the one of those that trade scare. And I don't blame you. Of course, if you don't know all of this, of course you gotta trade scare money. Not scare money, scare emotions. All right? But you have this, then, and you see that it works over and over and over and over again, and it works every single day. Gee, right? Just like Papa said, if you don't have that discipline, you're a fool. Get the hell, go sell real estate. You don't belong in this industry, right? But if you do, then is that 11 mistake? All right. All right, so this 10 right here is extremely important now. Okay, so let's see. Let's take it from here. Our counter trend long of 5, good, all the way to 18, right? That's beautiful. 13 points, right? Main play remains bearish, right? We know that support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support, right? 16. Price tries to take the weak bears here at 16. That's why it goes to 16, 75, 17, right? This is stop fishing right here. This couple of points above 16, not even 2 points. Look, it didn't even reach 18. right? So our main play short, in which we already gotten out twice, target 1 and target 2. Target 1, right? 12 is the low, and 06 target 2, and we are in a counter trend long right here. 06 that just gave us 11 points. Then we're gonna continue measuring it now, and we are on our way to target 3. Okay, like I said, I'm not expecting a clean break of the low, 05, right? 06, all right, but okay, but the low of target 1, which is 12, as long as that level is not comfortably taken again. Look at the way it took it. It took 16, and it had to come right back down. So this 12, 13 right here. Okay, let me see. Yeah, right. So the mid range right here, this one right here, the mid range between 12 and 16, 14. There you go, 14. As long as the price is below 14, ladies and gentlemen, now, all right, we have good odds that the price is indeed gonna take the low. It's gonna continue going down, and I'm expecting now, right? And this would be target 3. Now, all of this needs to happen before 11:30. All right, time right now, mistake, 11 what? 11:12?
11:12.
Okay, so this is, here we go. Boom, we got target 3, ladies and gentlemen. All righty, here we go.
Capi has a gold digger bull.
The bull? Oh, well, chop begun. Remember that the overall market direction is sideways, but at least we have target 3 for the main play, right? Smart money is not gonna make it easy for anybody, for the bears, right? Look at this, 14, right? 14. What is the price gonna do now? Shenanigans, right here. Okay, it's gonna. They know the importance of 14, so they're gonna take anything between 14 and here. They're gonna be taking the stops of the weak bears. All right. Yeah, sure. So the price needs to be below 14 for us to feel comfortable riding our third unit down all the way to 96. Is it gonna happen in a straight line? That's not gonna happen. Odds are that we're gonna be in a big time chop from now on. Okay, and above 14, you have to manage the counter trend is the one that has the odds that the price is going to eventually take 17 and continue all the way to 24. Righty? So we are long counter trend here, 06, until 06 is not destroyed. That counter trend long is not invalidated. So those of you who are long, those traders that are long this 06, you need to know the importance of 14, because 14 is the one that's going to tell you to be comfortable at letting it ride all the way back to 23, 24. Right? For us, being long, it's, yeah, sure, we're long 06 with a small position, but we prefer the price to continue on its way down because we have a bigger position short all the way from 31, and we are after target 3, which is right here, 96. That's what we want. As long as the price is below 14, we are comfortable that eventually, we don't know how long it's going to take, the price is finally going to take the low and give us 96. Time right now, mister. 11:15. I'm going to take a break, ladies and gentlemen. I have to relax my throat. The market reveal itself. Remember that I've been telling you, let's wait for the market to reveal itself? It just did. Done. What I just told you right now is what, in my humble opinion, is all the analysis that we have to do for the rest of the day. The rest of the day is only 15 more minutes. We know that at 11:30 official chop begins, and whatever is going to happen a lot slower or faster or sooner. It's unpredictable. So stop, break even, trail, be strong, and let it ride. I'm going to take a break, and I'll be right back. All right, so let's make sure that we are all clear, right? I don't have anything else to say. The market revealed itself, just like I said 10 minutes ago. We all know the importance of 14. We know the importance of, we know where target 3 is. We know what the expectations are as to when we want the price to do whatever it is going to do. We are prepared, right, for all both options, right? So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy today's action. Remember, there are a lot of traders wannabe, desperate to teach you, and sell you their crappy course. It's okay, no problem. Tell them, sell me whatever you want, but would you please prove to me that you are a real trader, not teaching me after the fact. They love to teach you after the fact. Tell them to read the market for you, live, real time, as it's happening, right? So that you can feel comfortable giving them the 10 grand that they're going to ask you for. If they don't do that, then they're full of crap, right? Every day there's a new teenager on YouTube trying to sell you some crap from their thing. These people are just marvelous marketers, and not just teenagers, old timers too. These people have been scamming people for so long. Hey, listen, somebody that is desperate to sell you, they're gonna tell you, hey, listen, we're not a signal server. When you tell them, hey, listen, I want you to read the market for me, live, real time. Read it to me, minute to minute. Tell me exactly where the prices go. I want you to know, give me the levels where the price is actually going to react to it. You know what they're going to tell you? Hey, listen, we're not a signal service. We don't want to give you a fish. We want to teach you how to fish. That's what they're going to tell you. When they tell you that, you know that you have to hang up that phone. And if you have in front of it, just slap him silly. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it was a pleasure trading for all of you. Reading the market just like we do every single day. Okay? Every single day. Monday through Friday. For so many years. Don't do anything other than live, real time, ladies and gentlemen. All right? Let's go ahead and take all these traders wannabe, all these con men out of business. See you all tomorrow. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I believe this is 96 to the tick, isn't it? Is this 96 to the tick, target 3? Counter trend long, 96. Bounce all the way to 12. That's another 16 points for the other counter trend long. 16 points. Back again. Target 3, target 3, target 3, triple top. So we managed to capture target 1, target 2, target 3, and we captured 3 counter trends. Time right now, it's 1:51, almost 2 p.m. and this is how this is done.